Welcome to my channel, Stacey Fowler Creations. I am Stacey Fowler. If this is your first time to my channel, a very special welcome. And if it's not just first time, still a very special welcome. Now, on a serious note, if this is your first time to the channel, then you have missed some of the videos on my playlist, right? Not to worry. Click on the link that is being displayed on your screen now. It will take you to the playlist so you can watch the other videos that you have missed. You need to watch this video to the end because I always share useful resources that can help you when teaching your child how to read quickly. My steps are guaranteed to work because I use them with my students and they do work. So you'll have your students or child reading in the next 3 to 4 months or even quicker based on how often you practice my steps. Now, today we'll be looking on three letters that when they come together, they make a special sound. They're not diagraphs. If you want to know what are diagraphs, if you check out my playlist, it will tell you what are diagraphs. But there are three letters, different three letters that when they're together, they can make a special sound. If you're able to teach this to your child or student, it will aid with the child learning to read quicker. These are things that I've discovered and I've used them with my students and I'm sharing them with you for free. So let's look on the ones I'm talking about for today. Today we'll be looking at the three letters AKE. AKE made the sound ache. AKE made the sound ache. If you're wondering why the letter E is not making a sound, check out the link that is being displayed on your screen now. It will explain what happens to the letter E when it's the last letter in a word. Whatever I teach, I like to use examples with it. So our first example, ache. You get the word bake. Now, it's never the parent or the teacher that makes these sounds. You get the child to make the sound. And when the child pronounces the word correctly, you must always congratulate the child. You know what they say, encouragement, sweet labor. In this case, by congratulating the child will be excited to continue or be and you will feel motivated to continue teaching the child. So let's look on another example. Ache, ache, and you get the word cake. Next example, ache, ache. Pretty easy to follow, right? So as I told you before, my steps are really easy to follow and you'll have your child reading in no time. Our next step is to give the child spellings and sentence writing. I've always encouraged my viewers to ensure you have a list of words on a flashcard that the child will sound out and another list written somewhere that you'll give us spellings. If you want to know how to make your flashcards virtually, there's a link in the description below that you can use to make your flashcards virtually. That is what I use. Download it to whatever device I'm going to use to teach my students. You can do the same. I've made your job super easy just by for coming to my channel by including a list of words that I use with these three letter sound and put it in the description below as well as sentences. You can take a look at that. After you give the child spellings, then it is sentence writing. You can do a combination of words from the flashcards as well as from the list that you use for spellings for the sentences. Then, when the child writes the sentences, then you ask the child to read the sentences to you. Their little faces will lit with joy to know they're capable of reading what they have written without any assistance. You also will be overwhelmed with joy to see the progress of your child or student. Now you see how my steps are very simple and you'll have your child read it in no time. I do need a little help from you though. I've illustrated and written a fun educational fairy tale book. This book is available on Amazon. The link is in the description below. So please, please, I'm begging you, make a purchase of this book. And when you do, rate the book on Amazon. Now we've come to the end of the video. I want to say thank you so much for watching to the end. If you found the information helpful in the video, then I'm begging you, please click on that subscribe button. And while you're doing so, click on the notification bell that you may be notified when I upload new work. Like and share my work as well. And please leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, I love you. Bye bye.